Hello friends, welcome back to JP's cookbook. It's been a while since we last posted a sweet recipe, so here is a fusion of two sweet recipes. We have to make balls, then a syrup to go with it. Let's look at the ingredients to make the batter. Take 4 to 5 cups of dosa batter. I was able to make around 15 balls with the quantity I'm using in this video. Add the carrots, the cinnamon, and the walnuts. Then mix all the ingredients together. If you haven't noticed already, these ingredients are inspired by the taste of carrot cake, which I absolutely love. Now, if you would like, you can add some raisins. Mix it all together once again and put it aside for later. Now, let's make the syrup. You can make it in a jiffy if you have pure powdered jaggery at home. If you only have jaggery balls, you need to boil it in water and filter out any impurities. I'm using 2 cups of water for 1 cup powdered jaggery. This was just enough sweetness. You can add more if you like it very sweet. Let the jaggery come to a boil for about 10 minutes. Then, add cardamom powder. You can also add dry ginger or in Tamil, sukkamali powder. That's it! The syrup is ready. To cook the balls, first preheat the pan. Pour 1/4 teaspoon oil in each mold. Then, fill each mold with batter only 3/4 of the way full. If we pour it till the top, it will overflow with batter. Let it cook on each side for 8 minutes until the edges are brown. Then, flip it on the other side and cook for 5 more minutes. You can insert a toothpick to check if the batter is cooked inside. It will taste the best if they are crispy. Now, take the balls out and serve it with steaming hot syrup. The smell of cardamom and cinnamon is filling the room, and I can't wait to try it. Smells heavenly. At first, I wanted to try the balls with cream cheese frosting, but decided to go with jaggery syrup instead. Wow, this tastes so good! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Try the recipe and leave the results in the comment section below. Take care and stay safe.